Welcome to Dual Pack Booster Program. For only 700 pesos, you'll get 2 boxes of Wins products. So, pipili ka lang ng brand mo, whether Wins Guyabano Plus, Slimming and Healthy Coffee, Wins Chocolate Drinks, Wins Healthy Juice, or yung ating Agaricus 9-in-1 Coffee. Ibig sabihin, i-encode ka na sa system. Meron tayong 5 boards. Dito sa board 1, composed of 15 slots. So, itong una, sa'yo yan. So, pwedeng ganyan na mangyari. Wala pang 1 week, wala pang 2 weeks. And then, if everything filled up, those 15, in this scenario, you are about to go board 2. Pero, before you go board 2, claim ka po muna ay 1,500 pesos. So, eto na ngayon. Board 2, board 3, board 4, board 5, hindi natin tinatrabaho yan. Ibig sabihin, company system. Company na po ang maglalagay, yung company spillover. So, on this board 2, sa'yo yan, ikaw yan. Ang malalagay sa'yo sa ilalim, hindi mo mga kilala. And take note, all the way from board 2, hindi na 15, 7 na lang lahat. So, including you, 6 sa ibaba. So, pag ganyan ang scenario, everything filled up, you are about to go board 3. Pero before going board 3, claim ka muna 3,000 pesos. Now, welcome to board 3. Eto ka na ngayon. If everything has been filled up, pag ganito na ang scenario, welcome to board 4. Pero, claim ka muna 5,000 pesos. Now, eto na ngayon. Board 4 ka na. So, sa'yo yan. Kapag ganito ang nangyari, everything has been filled up, you are ready to go board 5. And then, claim ka na naman muna dito 5,000 pesos. At eto na, board 5, the last and final board. Sa'yo yan, ikaw yan. If everything has been filled up, congratulations again. You'll claim your 5,000 pesos. At kumusta naman po ang sponsor? Dito syempre may bonus ang sponsor. Magmula sa board 2, kapag yung tao na nag-exit na na-sponsoran mo, nag-exit na from board 2, board 3, board 4, board 5, ang sponsor will get 500 pesos. Assuming ang iyong na-sponsoran, nag-exit na sa board 2, nag-claim na siya ng 3,000 pesos, ang 500 mo hindi magagaling doon sa 3,000. Bukod yun sa kanya yun, iba yung sayo. So, pag nag-claim na siya ulit ng 5,000, 500 mo. 5,000 niya, 500 mo. 5,000 niya, 500 mo. Okay, sa mga nag-i-exit doon sa final board na ika-fifth board, after receiving that, you count 6 consecutive months at makaka-receive ka doon ng tigpa 5,000. Okay, on the first month, 5,000. Second month, 5,000. Third month, 5,000. Fourth month, 5,000. Fifth month, 5,000. 6 months, 5,000. With a total of 30,000 pesos. So, ganyan po ang program ng ating dual pack system. So, mag-join na kayo, get in, decide now, take action.